So I just got a lovely package in from BTartbox. We have their new XCOATTIPS line. Just a little taste of it. The ones that I have are a part of their Ombré collection. And I always love to go for a simple set. Ombre is always just enough of that simple for me. What I absolutely love about these tips are they're ready to go. If you don't want to do too much customization to your nails and you just need something to pop on and go, these are perfect. I am currently about to go to a dinner, well, lunch, really, not really dinner, but I have to be at the lunch at 2:30 and it is now 12:48. So I have to hurry up and put something on. I need something super, super quick. I have bare hands, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. So I have 3 different styles to choose from. Not sure which one I want. We have here the tapered square. They're a little longer. I wanted to go a little shorter. So we go over to the almond shade. And I immediately noticed the color difference, the difference in the nudes. So with the short square ones, it seems like the nude in that one is lighter than the almond shaped one. And then the long taper square looks like it's lighter than all 3 of them. I kind of like the way the long taper square nude looks against my skin tone a little bit better. So we're going to try the long taper square today. In the package they sent, they gave me these 3 gels. So we have the gel glue, the top coat, and I have the builder gel. Cool. And then of course we have the UV nail lamp. Here are the tips right here. And like I said, they are ombre. Right now they're matte ombre, but just with some top coat, we can change all of that and make them glossy. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 clusters of the nail tips. So you get 5 wears out of these, easy. I'm gonna go ahead and size them up to my natural nail. And you want to make sure they are fitting from sidewall to sidewall. And I feel like that one is fitting probably the best. I'm going to go ahead and pop that off there. And now I can go ahead and prep my natural nail. So to prep, I'm going to take this nail file and just lightly remove the natural shine from my natural nail. And then you would normally have to push back your cuticles. Of course, my cuticles have been pushed back to death. I just got finished doing the set, so I don't need to do that step. And they don't have dehydrator and primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the gel glue. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 coat of the gel glue on my natural nail. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this gel glue on the inside of the tip. I'm gonna apply it at an angle and press it down. All the way down and cure for 60 seconds. But not every nail tip fits perfectly. Right here on my thumb, this one, it fits from sidewall to sidewall, but around the cuticle area, it's a little bit too blocky for my liking, but it's an easy fix for me. I always just take my file and round out the sides of the nail up there by the cuticle area, and I always get a perfect fit. Now, one thing I will say about applying soft gel tips that already have a nail design on them, since the tip isn't see-through, you can't really see where the gel glue stops once you start to apply it. I like to see it going towards the free edge of my natural nail and then stop pushing down and then cure it. But here I can't do that because, as you can see, it's a little harder to see where the gel glue stops. So I kind of just press it down and use my best judgment. I was just worried about getting some gel on my skin underneath the nail, but for the most part, we have a clean application. Now, once I put all of the nails on my hands, I'm gonna go ahead and cure under a bigger lamp. Make sure it's all cured underneath. I'm gonna cure that for another 60 seconds. All that's left to do is file. I'm gonna go ahead and file down, like straighten out my free edge a little bit. It's a little curved and I want it nice and sharp. I want it real sharp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it that sharp finish. I really wanna add just a little something to it. So I have these little bows. There's a pink one. And I'm gonna put it on the ring finger. I'm just gonna take a drill and kind of buff out underneath. That way it could stay on the nail and not pop off so easily. I'm gonna take the gel glue and go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna put it like right there and cure it. Since I'm pressed for time, I'm just putting top coat on top so I can get ready to go. But I do recommend putting that builder gel on first, one layer of that, and then cure it, and then put one layer of this top coat on top. That way your design is secured and it doesn't chip away. But for me, honestly, top coat should just be fine. I'm just gonna wear this for the next couple days and then I'm gonna take them off. But after I put top coat on all of the nails, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. I cure it for about 60 seconds. It looks nice. Quick, fast, and easy. Now I just have to do my other hand. All right, now here's how the whole set looks all together. And it took me about 30 minutes to do that. 35 minutes. I'm just so glad that I was able to finish this in time. And you can do this too, really quick, really easy. I have the link in my description down below if you are interested in these BTartbox XCOATTIPS tips. They have so many other different styles and shapes. So if you wanna go check that out as well, make sure you click the link in the description down below so you can check out their site and all of the different styles that they have to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video next week.